Hey guys, welcome to the Overbooked tutorial. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use automated emails and calls to action. Start by choosing the event that you wish to edit and click the edit icon. This will bring up the edit event dialog. Click advanced and watch how easy it is to connect with your fans. The first thing you can do is add a call to action button to your event or even to an email. When your fan clicks on the button, it'll take them anywhere on the internet. For this example, we'll have them watch a video. Now let's make sure that our fans receive an email. We'll start by clicking the checkbox to enable automated messaging. The system will automatically send 2 emails to each contact within a certain radius of your event, and you can set the delivery time for the first message and the second message. For this example, we'll stick with the default of 1 month before for the first message and 2 days before for the follow-up message. And finally, we'll configure the system to send an email to fans within 30 miles of this event automatically, so you don't have to do a thing. Oh, and the email? I sent it to myself. Let's head on over to my email client and have a look. There it is, the Overbooked app. A calendar you follow has a new event happening in your area. Friday night stand-up. A beautiful email created from the flyer, the title, the date, the address, the description, and the call to action. Let's watch the video. Congratulations on setting up your first automated email system with calls to action and taking a huge step towards building your fan base.